Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the Stellar XLM live price prediction. So before starting this video, I would like to show something about my channel. So as you can see now on the screen, a lot of people are not subscribing my channel. As you can see here, 93.8% people are not subscribing my channel. So first of all, I would like to request you kindly press the subscribe button and support us. Please click subscribe channel. Thank you so much for subscribing our channel. Let's see the live price prediction of XLM Steeler. That is the live price prediction of XLM Steeler of last 1 hour you are watching now. Oh my god, as you can see now on the change is negative 0.33% are the change in the XLM Steeler cryptocurrencies, and the high change is $0.385401, and that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour 25 March 2021. Let's see the technical analysis on the graph. As you can see on the screen, at this period the high rate of the Stellar XLM is on the test point. As you can see here, $0.385401. The dumping after this period, the dumping of the Stellar XLM starts. As you can see here, they are dumping, but after some interval of time they are start again jumping. As you can see here, they are start jumping again. As you can see here, they are start jumping very fastly. I think it's a selling time of Stellar XLM. It is a good time to sell Stellar XLM. What's your opinion about that? As at the good time to sell XLM cryptocurrencies or not? Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more this kind of videos and latest news about any cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much.